Hello, this is Brett at 2600 Hertz. I'm going to be doing a really short demo of taking an inbound call, looking up a contact in Salesforce based on the caller ID, and logging the call into that record in Salesforce. So I'm going to be pretending to be a customer, Emily Bancroft, calling into a contact center. And what I hope to do is Emily Bancroft's record in Salesforce, I'm hoping that that call shows up down in the bottom right as a incoming call. You can see I've already tested this today and I've got an incoming call. So we're going to hopefully have another one logged in just a moment. The way I'm going to pull this off is through Zapier, which is an automation tool. Here I've created what they call a zap. It's an automation to field the incoming call by tapping into the Kazoo API callback, which is done through a Kazoo plugin to Zapier that we've written, which makes things very easy. So let me just read this through for you. When a call comes into Kazoo, we're going to set a little value. You can skip over this. It's kind of these values, the set, and get, um, circumvent an issue in Zapier where Salesforce will stop if the search for the telephone number doesn't succeed. In this way, we can skip and run some conditional code if that happens. So when a call ends in Kazoo, we're going to find that record in Salesforce. And if we find the record, we're going to create a new record in Salesforce for the incoming call. Now, if we can't find the number in Salesforce, we're going to run a different path, which is just going to log the event. And that event will sit in Salesforce until um, maybe a contact is added with the same telephone number, and then it will get associated. So that's a nice little benefit. All right, let's make the call. I'm going to be using a web phone. I'm going to be making a call right now. Oh, first thing I got to do is I've got to turn on our automation. This takes a second. There we go. I'm going to place my call now. I'm calling in at the moment. Okay, I just hung up. I'm going to wait just a couple seconds to make sure the automation completes before I turn it off. I don't want to log all these calls right now into Salesforce, so um, just one of them. So let's go into Emily's record. I'm going to go ahead and hit F5 to refresh. And let's view more. There, we got two of them. Yay! Let's click in on one of these guys. I'm going to check the date timestamp. This one looks a little old. Maybe it was the other one that I logged. Go back. Check this one here. Ooh. Oh yeah, 9:54. That was just about 30 seconds ago. So perfect. So we see the incoming call. It's associated with Emily. It has some information in the comments. I have a lot of control over what information gets put in the description and the comments. That's pretty much it. So that concludes this demo. Oh, actually, I'm sorry, it does not. Might as well take a look really quickly at the task history in Zapier. Now this is a way that we can go in and kind of poke around and see how did that automation flow. Now there's a lot of information here to take a look at, but I just want to make you aware that it's here. Um, so you could troubleshoot issues if you have them. It's also a nice place. You could do a lot in Zapier. You don't have to just log the call into Salesforce. You could, for example, send a Slack message to your team, or if a call was missed, put a row in a database. You've got really the world's your oyster with this tool. And that concludes my demo. I hope you have a good day and thank you for watching.